Hi, hello everyone. Autumn and winter, especially suitable for eating soft, sticky, and sweet snacks. Today, I will teach you to make an outer crispy, inner soft, and glutinous. Super simple pumpkin pancake, thinly sliced peeled old pumpkin. Put it on a plate. Pot with cold water. Steam for 10 minutes after the water boils. After steaming, pour out the excess water. Then use a spoon to press it into a delicate pumpkin puree. Try to press this step as delicate as possible. The taste will be better. Then add a spoonful of sugar. Add an appropriate amount of glutinous rice flour. You can add glutinous rice flour while kneading it later. Flexibly adjust the dry humidity of the dough. Knead into a smooth non-stick dough. Just knead the dough into this state. Cover the kneaded dough with plastic wrap and rest for 10 minutes. The pumpkin pancake made in this way will be more elastic and sticky. 10 minutes later, the resting dough has become fluffy and elastic. And you just pull, like I do, a little piece of dough. Knead it into a small round cake with your hands. Rub them all and put them on a plate. Pour some breadcrumbs on a plate. Prepare another bowl of water. Quickly pass the cake in the water first. And then we put a crumb on it. The outer skin will be very crispy when fried like this. Pour a little more cooking oil into the pan. Wait for the oil temperature to rise to 70% heat. Insert chopsticks into the oil. Lots of little bubbles popping up. It's 70% hot. Pumpkin pie wrapped in breadcrumbs. Fry in the pot one by one. Turn on medium and low heat and fry slowly for about 3 minutes. Keep stirring in the oil pan with a spoon so that the pumpkin pies don't stick to each other. Let it heat evenly. Avoid burning the outer skin. Fry until golden brown and crispy on both sides. When it bulges slightly, you can fish out the pot. The freshly fried pumpkin pancakes are golden in color. Very nice. The skin is crunchy. After tearing, inside is soft, sticky, and delicate pumpkin glutinous rice balls, not dry at all. The sweetness of pumpkin is very natural, not greasy. It's crunchy on the outside. It's soft and glutinous inside. When you take a bite, the flavors are particularly distinct. The more you chew, the more delicious it becomes. Let it cool and it won't harden. Perfect for afternoon tea or snack. Love this homemade snack. Remember to like, collect, and subscribe. See you next time.